Everybody, we're making some meat pies today. This is adapted from an America's Test Kitchen recipe. Screenshot this and head to my blog as well to get the recipe for it. We want to get your aromatics in there. I've got some chopped up onions, some garlic, whatever you want to throw in there to make it super tasty. Again, the oil, of course, heating your pan high enough. I've got some ground grass-fed lamb here, which is super tasty. You could use whatever meat, ground turkey, ground beef, but about 1.5 pounds of that-ish. A pound would work too. So get that in the skillet and brown that up. Go ahead and add your salt and pepper, your spices, whatever flavorings you're going for. You could certainly customize this to different flavor profiles. This is just the one that I did. We want to go ahead and then sprinkle on that flour, get that chicken broth in and thicken that just a little bit, sprinkle in our cheese, and then we're going to set that aside to cool before we put it into our dough. Switching gears to the dough, I am using for this recipe my bread machine roll dough that I have on my channel, so check that out. But whatever dough you've got that you can roll into little balls, enough to make like a little roll size, I guess. And then you're going to roll those out into a little circle, put your cooled filling in, fold it over and crimp it with a fork. And then you're just going to go ahead and brush that over with, you could use some egg yolk, which I've done here, just with maybe a splash of water just to thin it out a little bit. You could use egg white. Butter, whatever floats your boat. Get those in the oven, preheated 350 for 20 to 30 minutes. You could also put this in your air fryer. Go ahead and click like, subscribe, and please do share. Thank you so much and have a great day.